Hi, my name is Amol Deshmukh. I am an English teacher. I am from Aurangabad and welcome to the Let's Talk Now. This is the online English learning program where you can speak English fluently, where you learn to speak English fluently, effortlessly, and naturally without learning grammar rules. In school, you studied a lot of grammar rules. That is the old way to learn grammar. Grammar rules do not help you to speak English. In fact, grammar rules cause you to speak English very slowly. This is why you speak very slow. For example, imagine you want to say, I have been studying English since I was 12 years old. Now, if you must think about the grammar rules first, right? You will speak very slow. Imagine, first you must think about the rules for the past tense, then you must think of the rules for the present perfect, then you must think of the rule for the present progressive, then I don't know how many rules. It's too slow, too much slow. With Let's Talk Now English, you will learn grammar naturally with stories. For example, I will tell you a simple fun story using the past tense. You learn the past tense easily just by listening to the stories. Then I will tell you the same story again using the present perfect. Then I will tell you the same story again, but using the present. Then I will tell you the same exact story again, but using the future tense. You learn to understand the differences between these just by listening to the different stories. You learn to use each one correctly. You learn when to use one and when not to use other. You learn to feel English grammar, not think about it. This is how the British or American children learn English naturally. With Let's Talk Now English, you will learn with the same exact way. No thinking in English. You will speak automatically. So, here's what I want you to do. Just go to the homepage, that is www.letstalknow.co.in, and join the 7-day free trial course. If you have already completed the free trial course, then jump to the 10 days trial course. I wish you all the best and good luck. Enjoy.